What are we doing? Dude, we're changing the oil on a 2000 Camry right now. Toyota. Toyota Camry. Come on, look at this puppy right here. It's all lifted up. Got the oil drained on it already. We're just doing an oil and a filter change though. Let's go. Get up in there. Get her on the outside. Get a little wipage in there. There we go. She's wiped off. Good start, traction. Because you want to make sure the turtles don't get a hold of that. Because if you throw it in the ocean or anything, the turtles will die. But look at that, we're getting somewhere. She's almost done draining. Oh, car goes by. What you could do in the meantime, just do a walk around the car. Make sure everything's all good. You want to come up here? You want to check the battery real quick? Make sure everything's all nice and strong. No, I'm joking. But half the time when you do change your oil, you should do a check around. Just make sure everything's like good, you know. Caps are on. Sometimes I'll even clean the air filter out. Why not? Because clean the air filter out. Come over here and put your window washing fluid in. Oh, right here actually. Sorry. That was a little off. My car's up there. That's why.
Let me see.
I cleaned it last time.
Oh, I didn't know that.
I cleaned it last time. It's brand new. It's a Canon air filter. That's a good filter right there. I know people that run that on their dirt bikes. Okay, almost done. Give it a couple more minutes, and then no magnet. No magnet, no. Put the back on before you ever put the new oil stuff back on. Usually I do this as the first thing after it's done draining. Even before I do a filter change, I always make sure I put it back on, because I've had times where people put new oil in and they drain it right back out, and that becomes even more of a mess. You don't want to do that. Oh my goodness, can I actually get it back on? Make sure I need to go get some towel real quick. Hold on, we gotta get back here. I'll be right back. Hold on. Gotta wipe that. Make sure the excess comes off a little bit. Your oil stinks like a two-stroke, man. Hell yeah, smells like a stroke down here. Make sure that don't blow away. Oh shit, don't want to get that on my thing real quick. Make sure I'm getting this on correctly, because last time I did this, yours is kind of a little finagle sometimes. Alright, let's get up in there. Oh shit. Turn it the other way. And this, don't want to tighten too much, but you don't want to under tighten it. You want to make sure it's almost perfect. So what I do is I go towards where tight, a little tight, and then one good crank. That's about all you need right there. That's all you need. You don't need any more than that. If you're doing more, then you're a little stupid. I gotta blank that out now, because you can't swear on YouTube because there's kids. Make sure I gave it a good snug. Yep, that's a good snug. Alright, well, we're gonna put the oil in now. New oil. Oh my god, you got nice fans up here. Look at that shit. That's hot. That is hot. I just touched the hot exhaust. So when you're done checking over the vehicle, the next thing you do, take the oil filter, put it back on, brand new oil. And some people ask, how tight do you do it? Honestly, literally, get it hand tight to where it's nice and tight, and then give it one good crank, and then that should be good for the next time. Because when I go to pull it off next time, it's gonna feel like just a little bit, and then you're gonna want to give it a nice crank, and yeah, that's good enough. That's good enough. Because you should be able to undo it with your hand. Oil filter wrench, do you know what you're doing? Do you know what you're doing? All right, so next up, putting some oil back in the beast. See, look, now you got 1 quart here, 2 quart here, 3 quart here. See, normally a brand new one goes all the way up to 5 quarts. But Right now we're looking at like 3.25 quarts right here. We need 3.8. So we're gonna use the whole thing here and then probably about a little bit there. And then the next time she changes her oil, she can change it with this all over again. Then she just buys another one every time she uses it. This one's a little more. Just let it go down a little bit.
We're on to the second bottle.
Alright, let's see where we're at. Maybe a little more. Oh, little spillage. Just a tiny bit more. It's not gonna hurt your car to have a little more because you burn oil. I'm gonna do a little bit more. Just because. Oh, and I spilled it again. Nice. Alright. I'm gonna let that drain. There we go.
We're gonna go ahead and check the dipstick. Show me.
Oh, shit. Look where we're sitting. Yeah, maybe use a little more. What do you think? Close enough?
It's close enough.
We could always put that a little bit. You're probably gonna burn a little bit of oil, so. Here's where we gotta be careful. You can't let that quick. You gotta do the professional. Just let it down slowly. Slowly. Just whip this hoe.
You want to go take a little drive?
Might as well.
Gotta put our seatbelts on.
You do everything legal. I'll probably just drive it down to the thing real quick.
For some reason in the passenger seat, it doesn't sound as loud. Have you ever noticed that?
Because the hole is this way.
I want to figure out why it's leaking water.
That's interesting.
You okay?
The car's not that loud when because you're always on the gas is what it is.
What do you mean?
Well, it ain't loud right now, watch.
Well, yeah, it does that once you change the oil.
But you're always on, you're on the RPMs too much. Like, you should only be on the RPMs like this one.
Yeah. Oh crap, you'll get copyrighted.
Yeah, I don't want that. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Till next time. We're out this, man.